So excited. Let us open the ring first. Look at this box. Beautiful. It's sturdy. Oh, okay. So in this white box is another box. Another box. It has a gold plate here that also says TAYLOR KOM. And are you ready? Because I am so ready. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I want to show it to you first. Goodness. Can you see how sparkly that is? Or even inside the house. How much more later on if it's under the sunlight? It's very shiny. It is the enchantment Moissanite ring. It's an engagement ring. And yes, you heard it right. It's Moissanite. My glorious God, that is so beautiful. This ring features the signature magical Moissanite stone, and it's in 3 carats. Oh my god, it's so big, right? And I got it in sterling silver in size 5.5. I'm hoping it will fit. So you can see, guys, that's what I am wearing at the moment. My engagement ring is a total of 2 carats natural diamond. We'll try to put this on and we'll see if this fits me. Oh my god, it fits really, really well. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks gorgeous. Oh my god, so beautiful. My god, I'm so over the moon. I'm so happy. So as mentioned, guys, this is Moissanite. So it is not diamond, although its brilliance and sparkle rivals the natural diamond. So I will show you. So this is my diamond. Obviously, this is not a perfect comparison because the sizing, the shape is different. But I just want to show you and give you a little bit of idea like what Moissanite and diamond looks like. When it comes to the sparkle, they look very similar, but Moissanite, you can avail it at a much more affordable price. This ring is gorgeous. I am out of words for this ring, guys. TAYLOR KOM offers different sizes of stone. So as mentioned, this is the 3 carat, which I love, but they also offer 1 carat, 2 carats. Like, it's totally personal preference. And if you are not into the silver hardware, you don't have to worry because TAYLOR KOM offers a different metal. So they also offer 14 karat gold, 18 karat, actually they offer 10 karat as well, and also platinum. And you can choose if you want yellow gold, rose gold, or white gold.